Albert Tabron Mama Wiggles presents Sounds of the Letter M. It's the holidays, and you know what that means. Lots of food, such as macaroni and cheese, meatballs, mashed potatoes, mustard greens, and for dessert, muffins. So delicious. Mama Wiggles and I are planning on going on a train ride around the U.S. Can you imagine what states we're going to see? First time on a train. You know, I've never been on a train.
You haven't. You ready for this train ride?
I've never been on a train before.
You're going to enjoy it.
And I'm enjoying today because we're going on a train ride around the United States. And we're going to see some very interesting states that begin with the letter M.
The letter M?
Letter M.
There's Montana. There's Michigan. Oh, there's Minnesota. Yeah, because Minnesota has the Mall of America.
Mall of America, that's right. I want to go. Can we go see that?
We can go see that too.
Let's go see the mall.
What else? What other states? Oh, Mississippi.
Mississippi. I had to say that because that's how I teach Mississippi. M-I. Click the letter I. Click the letter I. Hump that I. Mississippi. Yeah, we gonna go. Can we go to Mississippi too?
We can go there too. What other states is it?
You know any other states out there that begin with the letter M? Missouri. That's right. Missouri. That's right. I think they're. Let's see if we can pull it out.
Go ahead.
First one was Maine. Oh, we forgot. Maryland. That's right.
Yeah.
Then there's Massachusetts. And there's Michigan. Minnesota. That's where the Mall of America is. Then there's Mississippi. Let's do that slow again. M-I. Click the letter I. Click the letter I. Hump back I. Very good. Then there's Missouri. Then there's Montana. I think that's it. So how many states did we call another M word that action goes want to go to Maine.
I want to go to Minnesota. I got to go.
Yeah,
shopping
Minnesota.
done. I got to go get some shopping
All of
done.
America.
Exactly.
And I want to go to Maine. Something I got a taste of Maine maple syrup. Motown. My girl. My girl.
Okay, let me know.
Oh. So we want from Maine,
Minnesota,
Minnesota, Michigan,
and
Mississippi. Ooh, I gotta see that. I gotta go to Mississippi.
Why? Let me go.
Because Mississippi is known for B.B. King Museum.
We gotta go see Mr.
Museum.
B.B.
B.B.
King.
King and his favorite guitar is called
Lucille. Oh, come on back to
Yeah. Oh man, did you enjoy today's episode? Did you learn a lot about the states that begin with the letter M?
I hope you
Yeah,
did.
a lot of them.
I hope you did.
If you did, please share and subscribe to Fun with Tab, where learning can be, is that another M word, meaningful and fun. See you next time.
Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and TikTok.
That's right, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All right, see you next time. All right, enjoy this movie. I love the letter M between the L and N. I love the letter M. It sounds like I love the letter M between the L and N. I love the letter M. It sounds like Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Mississippi, Montana. I love the letter M between the L and N. I love the letter M. It sounds like I love the letter M.